Located in Alderson 463, you will find the Asylum MFP-3D Bio atomic force microscope. This powerful tool enables high-resolution imaging and nanoscale measurements of advanced materials. Integrated with an Olympus inverted optical microscope, it allows for simultaneous optical and atomic force microscopy, offering deep insights into bioscience and materials science research. AFM works by scanning a sharp nanoscale tip over a sample surface, detecting interactions between the tip and the surface to generate high-resolution topography and material property maps. The Asylum AFM MFP-3D Bio has a resolution down to 0.06 angstroms in the XY plane and sub-nanometer resolution in the Z direction. It features a 90-micron XY flexure scanner and a 15-micron Z range, allowing for high-precision imaging over a maximum scan area of 90 by 90 microns. The AFM is designed for high-resolution topography measurements with contact and tapping modes serving as the fundamental imaging techniques. In contact mode, the AFM tip remains in constant interaction with the sample surface, providing detailed surface topography and mechanical property information, while tapping mode minimizes sample damage by intermittently engaging the tip with the surface, making it suitable for soft or delicate materials. These basic modes not only generate surface roughness and phase information, but also form the foundation for advanced measurement techniques. The more advanced modes, such as electrical, mechanical, and magnetic field measurements, build upon the fundamental imaging modes by incorporating specialized AFM cantilever tips. Nanoelectrical measurements, including conductivity and piezoelectric response, require conductive tips, while nanomechanical analysis, such as force distance curve measurements and viscoelasticity characterization, demand tips with specific spring constants and resonance frequencies. Magnetic fields can also be measured by using a magnetic AFM tip. The AFM is also equipped with advanced environmental control capabilities, enabling measurements under controlled temperature and humidity conditions, including temperatures from -35 Celsius to 300 degrees Celsius, humidity, and fluid environments. The Asylum MFP-3D Bio atomic force microscope empowers researchers to explore surface roughness, grain boundaries, and complex nanostructures with nanometer precision, and serves as an indispensable tool for studying dynamic material behaviors.